One day I looked at this and thought, that might be a good place for microgreens. I did start growing them out in trays like everybody else, but that's boring. Life's too short. So I started experimenting with all different kinds of containers. Some work better than others for different kinds of plants. And to this day, every container I get in my hand, I look at it and think, can I grow something in that? So look at things in different ways, especially the stuff that we throw away or recycle, and think, can I use this in some way? And don't be afraid to ask for help. Even the gnomes have helped us. And they started looking for unique ways to grow microgreens. Use your imagination, have fun, and keep on growing. When I see those big, fancy hydroponic setups, I think, wow, that's cool. I'd like one of those. But then I think, that's expensive and complicated. I think I can do it cheaper and way easier. So we're working on a big project, but it starts with small stuff like this. It's gonna be cool. Stick around, keep on growing. Beansprouts are awesome. And whether you grow a lot like me, or just a few trays, they can help dress up any meal. Just like plain old ramen. Along with some other fresh veggies and greens, a little bit of protein. You can turn a boring package of noodles into something special. Now this is good as it is, but the Beansprouts make it better. Whoop. How do you eat your ramen? Keep on growing. These ramen trays are not just good for bean sprouts. I also grow my pea shoots with them. But just a few trays at a time. These are only a few days old. No nutrients, just a little water. They'll be ready in a few more days. Just leave a little water in the bottom. You can put a tiny bit of nutrients in there if you want, but I usually don't. In a couple of days, these are going to be just right for a salad. Very easy, no soil. Keep on growing. Another good thing about this pool noodle nursery is that it's easy to cover. So you get to protect your little plants. You can even move it if you need to. Then if you have bad weather, hail, hurricane, When it's all done, all you have to do is uncover the sprouts. And keep on growing.